You can't make someone love you, but you can make them feel something powerful around you. That's what most men never understand. Desire isn't created by chasing. It's created by presence, mystery, and emotional tension. When a woman isn't interested, most men panic. They try harder. They text more, compliment more, and act overly nice, hoping she'll finally notice them. But all that does is destroy the very thing that could have made her curious. Your self-respect. The Stoics taught that you can't control others, only yourself. So instead of trying to control her feelings, control your energy. The moment you stop needing her, you become magnetic. Women feel this instantly. They sense that you're not seeking validation. You're a man who moves with calm confidence and a man who doesn't beg to be seen. Desire begins when you stop offering everything up front. Be kind, but never overly available. Be interested, but never invested too early. Let silence work for you. Let her wonder what you're doing when you don't text back immediately. That mystery triggers curiosity, and curiosity turns into attraction. When you speak, do it with intention. Don't overshare. Don't explain yourself. The less you try to prove your worth, the more she'll want to understand you. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." That's the secret. Be the kind of man who commands attention without asking for it. Women don't fall for men who chase them. They fall for men who chase a purpose. The man who's too focused on his mission to be distracted becomes irresistible. His ambition, his silence, and his focus create emotional gravity. That's what draws people in. So stop asking, "How do I make her like me?" Start asking, "How do I become a man she can't forget?" It's not about manipulation. It's about mastery. Master your emotions, your habits, your body language. Move slowly, speak less, and listen deeply. When you do, she'll feel something rare. Safety and mystery at once. That's what sparks desire. In the end, Stoicism teaches that desire is born from detachment. When you detach from the outcome, you gain power. And that power is what makes you truly desirable. Because nothing is more attractive than a man who could have anyone but still chooses peace. Be that man.